Today, I'll show you how to apply order limits for specific users or roles in WooCommerce. First, open your WooCommerce dashboard, go to the Order Limit plugin, and click Add New Rule. A new screen will appear. Here, enter the rule name, select the rule type, and choose the product type. Then, select the product you want to apply the limit to. Now, set the minimum and maximum order quantity. In this example, I selected mascara. The minimum quantity is 3, and the maximum is 5. Choose whether you want the rule based on quantity or amount. Here, I'm selecting quantity. Check the option Enable for users that displays a list of options for user types. I am selecting guest users considering IP addresses, cookies, emails, and phone numbers. Click Publish to save and enable the rule. Next, open your store and add just one mascara to the cart. No error message appears as this is assigned an account, and we have selected the limit to be applied to guest user. Now, open the store in incognito mode for guest user. Add just one mascara to the cart. An error message will appear. Mascara. Minimum amount must be greater than 3 and less than 5. This message appears on the shop page, cart page, and checkout page. Now go to Edit Rule page and change the user type to specific user and enter desired username. I selected admin user. Update the rule and go to your store. If the quantity of mascara doesn't meet the rule requirements, you will observe an error notification. Update the quantity to meet the rule limit and error message disappears. Now go to Edit Rule page and change the user type to specific roles only. I selected administrator as a role. Update the rule and go to your store. If the quantity is not according to set limit for administrator user, an error message will appear. Mascara. Minimum amount must be greater than 3 and less than 5. Thank you for watching.